Okay, love bugs, welcome back for another hair tutorial. Today I've teamed up with Unice and they sent me over this beautiful 24-inch deep water wave pre-everything lace wig. That means we get pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. And of course she comes complete with that upgraded drawstring in the back. I'll show you guys how to do a quick and easy 10-minute install on this beautiful girl. And we did do some wispy baby hair in the front, which let me know how you feel about it. I love it when they super curly and they literally just fly every way that they want. And then at the end, I'll show you a cute way to style this one and you'll see, just how to catch a vibe. Today is officially day one of daylight savings, and so it's time for the fun hairstyles, right? I'm gonna get into the video. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl in the description box. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, let's get right into it. Today we're rocking this beautiful 24-inch deep water wave lace wig. She's a 13x6 pre-everything cap construction with the adjustable straps as well as the drawstring in the back. You have combs, you have everything you need, including this peel and stick ear tabs, wig tape, or whatever you like to call it. This one is so beautiful. I'm showing you guys what it looks like from the back so you can see how gorgeous it is. And guess what? I ran out of time because I'm a dance mom. So I literally was about to do an install. I realized I was out of time. So I went ahead and put on a headband and we went to dance. This is fast forward to the next day. I did end up putting the same top back on so that you guys can, catch the vibe and it can be unison. But literally no one knew that the wig was not styled, and that is because the ends were so beautiful. I still got compliments, believe it or not. We're going to go ahead and control my edges with this Cantu edge control just to make sure that we are literally locked in and ready to go, as my son was saying. And then we're going to begin to work on those ear tabs. One important thing that happens to me all the time is I will do an install, and I did use the rat part of the rat tail comb to be able to make sure my part was centered. And then I went ahead and used a non-glue adhesive, or hairspray rather, to go ahead and bond this one down. I just add a light amount and then I put the lace over top, melt it in, and then warm it up and let it set with a blow dryer. I decided not to go with the ear tabs just because I am working on my edges and I do not do any glue or any adhesive. Only the hairspray is literally the only thing I use. So I did go ahead and peel it off. And then I went ahead and added a little bit of that same hairspray, blow dried it down, and look at how well this one conforms to my big forehead. Like, I have a big forehead, but this looks so good. And I didn't do much at all. So this time we did go a little bit closer up, and you can see I literally just was able to peel that piece or that wig tape off, add my adhesive, and then press it in and use a blow dryer to just really get it to set. From here, we're going to go ahead and do a few more steps on the hairline, including creating the baby hair. For the wispy baby hair today, we are going to go ahead and use a pencil flat iron to curl it. And we're going to use hairspray instead of edge control to go ahead and style it. So it's going to be a simple and easy process. Just follow along and you'll see. I'm also going to use a melt belt to set everything nice in place. Later in the video, we're going to go ahead and tint the lace using the Ruby Kisses palette. Right now, I am doing the Dynamic Duo, and that is the wax paired with the electric hot comb. Right before your eyes, how I'm able to melt down that hairline, open up the hairline also to make it look a lot more snatched, and then also make a way for everything to just be nice, flat, and flawless without using any glue. Also, especially if you're using a non-glue adhesive, if you find it lifting in any area, I just use the back of the rat tail comb and that same spray to go ahead and touch it up without doing too much and getting too messy. And then once the melt belt is on, we're going to go ahead and work on the ends. Okay, love bugs, this is the final look and I love it. With these types of wigs, first of all, the water wave texture is my favorite. Deep water wave gives that and even more. It's super, super, super defined when it comes to the curls. And there's many ways you can style it. You can use a leave-in, you can just use water, you can use mousse, you can combine the two. Literally, the possibilities are endless. I did go ahead and use my diffuser, which I love this thing so much. And this just speeds up the time for the drying time. Now that it's getting a little bit warmer here in California, we're already like in the 80s and the 90s daily. You literally can just style it and leave out the house and literally within a few minutes it'll dry on its own. But I am a girly who does not prefer wet hair. So this is how I do it and style it. Now let's go ahead and style it. Do we want to do like a half up, half down? Do we want to change the parting? Do we want to do twisties? I don't know. So let's just go ahead and figure it out. Okay, so this is the look. Of course, this one here is just going to be a simple half up, half down, which I feel like everybody should know how to do, but just showing you guys the dimension and the versatility of it, and especially if you are a beginner and just wanted to know what to do. Because this one is a frontal, I find it easier and better to do these types of styles like a half up, half down than I would say like a closure wig. But of course, you guys have seen me do this style with a closure wig as well. Now, if there's a special occasion or if you go to like a stylist, they probably will want to like go ahead and wrap like an extra bundle of the same texture around this to make it super full. But this is just an everyday look, and you can even take the ponytail, and you guys see how I am loosely turning it into a bun. You can do like a very, very like finessed style bun, if you will, and then you just take some, what do you call these, bobby pins, and you kind of just loosely pin them in there so it'll stay as best it can. And just like that, you've created a bun, but it just looks a lot more dense and full than it would if you just wrap it tight to match the density of the length of the hair. I'm a boho girl. I like stuff that's like kind of like grunge and messy a little bit, not too put together, not too wrapped tight. So I like it when it has a little bit of frizz in it, but of course take your Denman brush, your unbrush, and really tame your curls before you let them dry, and you'll get more of a super duper defined look. And then even when it comes to restyling your wigs, you will find that sometimes just changing up the way the hair is already set will manipulate the hair to kind of start frizzing up. So you just take a little bit of water and just like that, and you kind of like redefined the curls, and you are literally good to go. Okay, love bugs, now that you guys have seen how we installed this one, super simple, quick and easy, I'll remind you that we did do the wispy baby hair up here and I love it. If this is a step you want to skip or modify, feel free to do that. But again, we got this one done in less than 10 minutes. Keep in mind, I did wear this one yesterday with no styling at all. I put it on literally with the ear tabs still on and everything, and the wig tape on, and I just literally put one of my super thick elastic bands, or what are these called, headbands, over top because I literally had no time to do an install. And today we did the install, and again, it was fast, simple, easy, and again, very, very beginner friendly. So of course, I'll have this one linked in the description box with all the details. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.